Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope you are all okay. We are continuing multiplication chapter. It's day 3, lecture 3. We will going to learn 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Let's see the problem. 26 multiplied by 35. 6 ones, 2 tens, 5 ones, 3 tens. First 5. We have to multiply 5 with 26. So let's see another place. 5 6 are 30. 0. Carrying 3, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus carrying 3, 13. We wrote 113 first line. Again 3 with 26. 3 6 are 18, 8. Carrying 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Answer is 278. We add here extra 0 for explaining 3's position is tens. Then we write 78, the multiplication answer of 26 multiplied by 3. Then we add these two lines. 0 plus 0 is equal 0. 3 plus 8, 11, 1, carrying 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, I'm explaining again. 26 with 5, 130. Next line, we add extra 0. Then we multiply 26 by 3, answer is 78. We add both of these number, 0 plus 0, 3 plus 8 and 7 plus 1. Then I am going to show you another example of that. $60 multiplied by 32. First we have to take 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. Then extra 0. Let's multiply 2 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18. Then we have to add this number 0 0 0. 2 zeros are 2, 8 plus 1, 9, and 1, nothing, 1. Again I am explaining. 2 zeros are 0, 6 2s are 12. Then extra 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 18. 0 plus 0 is equal 0, 2 plus 0 equal 2, 1 plus 8 equal 9, 1, 1. I hope you can understand. No more today. Thank you very much.